Hello and welcome to Energy TV. This is Anna Choi and Conscious Business Coach. And what I wanted to share with you today is a book review on Brian Whitten's Yes, Yes, Hell No. So this is all about how to actually make decisions according to your three different advisors inside of you, which is your gut or intuition, that instinctual response, and then your logical brain that justifies everything through reason, and then your fear, your survival-based brain. And actually, three of those can correspond to parts of the brain, as well as far as our decision-making from the limbic system, the reptilian side of the brain, the prefrontal neocortex. So what you do is whenever the next time, this is like super Cliff Notes version, okay? But next time that you have to make a hard decision, have you ever noticed your advisors, your committee inside has different things to say? Well, they all have different aims and means of why they're going to vote yay or nay to a decision. So the first things first is take a deep breath. And then really look at what does your gut say? What does your intuition say? So if that's a yes, then take a look at what does your logic say? Either it's going to start saying, ooh, that's a really bad idea, and be like, no, or it's going to be like, yes, this is a good idea because, and it'll be another yes. The third decision maker, fear. If you get a yes, yes, but a hell no from fear, like I'm going to die if I say yes, that is your indicator that yes, you should go forth with this decision. It's a game changer that you're going to break out of the ceiling that you are in and shoot off into another stratosphere and transcend your normal ways of operating, bust your ego, and take alignment to your higher self. And you have to kind of go through that layer of fear to be able to take that transcend. Okay, so to recap, we've got your intuition or gut, yes, then your logic justifies it, that's a yes. And if you get a hell no from your fear, that means yes, go forth with whatever decision you are at, whether that could be, oh, should I go out with this person? Oh, should I do a partnership in that business with that someone? Oh, should I go after that new clientele or not? Should I fire this person? Whatever the decision might be, that's what you can use as a quick way to make decisions effective.